In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva templates. So if you're new to Canva and you're just getting started, templates might be a bit confusing because we want to know here how we can edit them, how we can publish them, and how we use Canva overall. Well, if that sounds like you and your problems, then watch this video because I'm going to go over Canva templates and explain everything that you need to know. So when you first load up to Canva, you're probably going to be greeted here with this page which says Meet Magic Studio. Now here what you can do is you can go through these categories and choose the different templates that you want to edit. Now you might have a For You page, but if you haven't edited anything, it's not going to recommend you any templates yet. So go to Docs, and on Docs you can scroll down and see all of the document templates. Now you may have something specific in mind. So do you want to edit here a presentation? If so, go to presentations and then you can choose your presentation here. So do you want presentation for laptop, for phone, for iPad? And if you click on these, it's going to show you more templates in this subcategory. So once I've clicked on it, you can see all of these templates are now editable. But let's say for the video, we don't want to make a presentation. We want to go over to social media and make a social media post. So I'm going to then choose Instagram, and you can see you've got Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn here. And we'll choose Instagram stories. So if we click on that, it's going to open the editor. Inside of Canva, once you've got the editor open, you'll be able to then edit these templates. Now the one with the crown next to them are the pro templates, so you can't use them without paying, but choose any of the free ones and you can edit them. So let's click on this one. What we can do now is we can click around these different elements and edit them. So if we want to remove this photo, we can click on it, then click delete, or this trash can icon here, and it will remove it. You can also drag text and edit text. Hello. You can also edit text with the text tool up here. So I'll bring the font down and I'll also change the font here to a very basic one. Hello. You can move stuff around. You can also go to elements. You can add in different shapes and different stickers and upload your own media by going to uploads. And then once you've edited your template, you can then go to share in the top right hand corner, click on download, and you can download this as a PNG file or whatever file type suits your document. So I hope that video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions.